Hi, in this video we are going to see the state university recruitment guys, and here the eligibility is a graduation or else a post graduation, and you may apply from any state, so there is no restriction that only domicile candidates has to apply here. Okay, so really it is a wonderful opportunity to the candidates who are having the graduation or else a post graduation. So please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of university notifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And here the salary up to 60,000 rupees per month is available, and the different categories, the different packages are maintained here. So we will see the complete details in this video guys, and please watch the video until the end to get the complete details regarding the different notifications in this state university. And please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunities, and please subscribe my channel to get the more notifications like this. Before going into the main content of this video, here one small announcement is that Unacademy is starting the complete courses for the NTA UGC NET preparation from 1st May 2021 onwards. So here the electronic science candidates, the complete batch is going to start from 12th May 2021 onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan guys. The links are kept at the description box of this video, and for more details you may watch at the end of this video. While coming to the present content of the video, it is Digital University Kerala. So from this one here we got a few notifications guys. So total 3 notifications I am going to show you in this video, and apart from the 3 notifications, one more notification is also there, that is regarding the entrepreneurship guys. So we will see the 3 notifications here. The first one, you may check down, the Kerala University of Digital Sciences Innovation and Technology invites application from suitable candidates for the post of academic officer or the deputy registrar. Okay. So here first we will see that notification guys, and then we will go to the remaining next two notifications. Fine. So in this PDF you may check down the details of post, qualifications and the experience required, and these posts are based upon the contract basis guys. So job code is given, and the academic officer or the deputy registrar, and the qualification should have master's degree from a recognized university. It might be any master's degree guys. There is no specific master's degree specialization. Okay. So PhD holders will be given as a preference, but it is not mandatory. And experience is mandatory for this one. A person having the experience of 5 years as academic officer or deputy registrar or above in a reputed university or a centrally funded technical institute, or a person with a minimum experience of 10 years at the level of assistant registrar or above in a reputed university or a centrally funded technical institute should have the knowledge in academic matters and in conduct of examinations in a university. Age limit is 50 years as on the date of notification, and the remuneration is 40,000 rupees per month. And how to apply is, application shall be submitted through online by 5 o'clock. The last date is 6th June 2021, and the online applications you will get available in the official website itself. And applications received thereafter will not be entertained, and the date and time of the interview will be intimated only through the email. That means the selection for this one is based upon the interview guys, so there is no written test for this one. And a few other terms and conditions are also given here. Okay, so you may check down guys. And a TADA will not be provided for the shortlisted candidates for attending the interview. Fine. So it is a one notification. And if you want to apply online, just click on the apply online here guys. And coming to the next one is, it invites the application from suitable candidates for the post of system or network administrator or senior technical assistant or technical assistant and technical assistant web development. So click on the notification here, and then you will be directed to the notification regarding all these posts. So you may check down here the details of post, qualifications and experiences required. So first one, the name of the post, system or network administrator, BTech or BE or MTech or MSc computer science or MSc IT or MCA from a recognized university or educational institution. Age not more than 40 years, and the salary is 60,000 rupees per month, that is consolidated. And essential experience, that means these experience are required. Should have at least 8 years relevant experience as a system admin or network admin or data center management or similar role in organization with minimum 100 user base. Strong hands-on experience in system or network admin, server infra management, data center operations and virtual machine management. Okay. And few more desirable skills are also mentioned here. And what are the job profile and what are the skill requirements are there. So please check down. If you are having these skills are there, then only try to apply to this job, guys. Okay. And coming to the next one, senior technical assistant, the job code is given here. Qualification BTech or BE or MSc Computer Science or MSc IT, MCA from recognized university or the education institution. Age is not more than 40 years and the salary is 40,000 rupees per month. And essential experience is 5 years relevant experience as software engineer or developer or web developer in a reputed software industry or organization with proven development experience on web-based applications. And few job profile and skill requirements are given. So I may check down. And coming to the technical assistant, BSc CS or IT or BCA or a 3 years diploma in computer science or electronics and telecommunication engineering from a recognized university or education institution. Age is not more than 40 years and the salary is 30,000 rupees per month, that is consolidated. And essential experience is 3 years relevant experience as IT support engineer or network support engineer or the technical assistant. And desirable is mentioned, and the job skills and the skill requirements is also a job role and the skill requirements are mentioned here. And the next one is technical assistant in web development. So BTech or BE or MSc Computer Science or MCA with good academic record. And 3 years post qualification experience as a web or the software developer. And the desirable things are mentioned. So I may check down this. Okay. So here 30,000 rupees per month and age is not more than 40 years. So application should be submitted online by 6th June 2021 by evening 5 o'clock, and the mode of the selection is skill test and the interview will be there. And few other terms and conditions are given here. So you may check down. I will provide all the necessary PDFs in the description box of this video. And coming to the next one, suitable candidates for the post of library assistant. So click on the notification here. And then you will be directed to this one. So it is regarding the library science, guys. So 2 posts are required, one reserved for SC/ST candidate, and MLISC, that is Masters in Library Science, is required from the recognized university. And basic degree desirable. It is a desirable, not mandatory. Basic degree in science discipline, knowledge or skill in computer applications, 1 year experience in a reputed library, good communication skills, and age not exceeding the 35 years, and the remuneration is 22,000 rupees per month. Mode of the selection is by interview. And application should be submitted through online by 6th June 2021, 5 o'clock evening. Right? And few other terms and conditions are given here. Okay, you may check down, guys. And I will provide this website link in the description box of this video, so you may find out. And whatever the notifications I show you right now, and whatever the qualification you belongs to. Qualification means Masters in Library Science, and while coming to the Deputy Registrar and the Academic Officer, post graduation in any discipline with suitable experiences are mentioned, 5 years or 10 years of experiences in conducting the exams or like that. And the next one is technical assistant or web development or network admin. So for this one, BTech any graduation is required, but along with that one, the qualifications and experiences as well as few essential experiences are mentioned here, okay, in the software development and all these things. So these qualifications are mandatory. Okay, guys. And the candidates who are aspiring the women entrepreneurs, so for them, the 2 lakhs amount is going to get from the WISE scheme. Okay, so if you are interested, just have a look on this one. And the date of submission is last date is 10th June 2021. Okay, so please share this video to your friends or colleagues who are looking for such type of opportunity with these qualifications. It will be very much helpful to them. And to get the more notifications like this, please subscribe the channel and then tap the bell icon. And the candidates who are preparing for the UG Senate exam, here one announcement follows, so listen, guys. Hi, myself I am Ashwani Kumar, Unacademy educator of electronic science as well as the general paper 1. And all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET, okay, NTA UGC NET, here the Unacademy is providing the multiple courses for the candidates who are preparing for the NTA UGC NET. So here I am going to show you the list. Actually, the University Grants Commission is conducting every year twice the National Eligibility Test exam for the 81 subjects. So out of the 81 subjects here, for few subjects, Unacademy is providing the complete course, including the free online classes also, guys. So here I will give you the complete details regarding that one. So first of all, we will see what are the different subjects are providing by the Unacademy for the NTA UGC NET. Means commerce and general paper on teaching, management, computer science and application, political science, history, economics, practice and strategy, sociology, labor welfare, English, language and education, geography, law, Hindi, psychology, public administration, electronic science, environmental science, home science, and philosophy, tourism admin and management, mass communication and journalism, Sanskrit, Punjabi, and anthropology. So these are the different subjects where the Unacademy is providing the courses, guys. Okay, and from each and every course you will get the free online classes as well as the paid courses also you will get. So I will show you how to access. Here the few top educators are there, guys, okay, which are going to give you the wonderful knowledge. Okay, and you can download the class PDFs also, okay, regarding the different subjects, okay, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF, guys. And coming to my profile, okay, so myself, I am Ashwini Kumar, as I already told you, educator of electronic science as well as a general paper 1. So it is my profile link. Okay, so whatever the subject you belongs to, just click on that one and then you will be directed to that particular subject educator's profile link. And if you scroll down, you will get the special classes. Okay, the special classes are completely free, guys, that anybody can able to access this one. And just click on this see all. Whatever the free classes or the special classes I did up to now, okay, you can able to access all the special classes. So actually here I did the special classes on the free classes on the general paper 1 as well as the electronic science previous year questions, okay, that you may check down here one by one. And whatever the interesting or else whatever your needed topic is there, okay, just click on that one and then you will be directed to the video, guys. So you will get like this, and if you click on this watch now, then you will be directed to the online classes. Okay, but before that one you have to create your account by providing the mail ID as well as your contact number. Fine. So to watch the special classes, it is completely free. You need not to pay any amount, guys. And if you want to get the complete course as per the UGC syllabus and each and everything, okay, which are helpful to crack your JRF, nothing but a paid courses. So here the two different types of subscriptions are there. One is the plus subscription and second one is the iconic subscription. And you may check down the difference here. In the plus subscriptions, you will get the almost you will get the India's best educators are there in the Unacademy. Okay, you will be provided with doubt clarifying sessions also, interactive live classes, and you can download the PDFs and the live test and the quizzes. And coming to the iconic subscription, interactive live classes, PDFs and the live test and quizzes, just as like the plus. Apart from this one, you will get the personal coach and personalized doubt solving and preparatory study material, SOP, and the interview preparation. Okay, so all these things you will get additional in the iconic subscriptions. Okay, so while coming to the plus subscriptions, okay, we will see the different plans here. You may check down, guys, the different plans. For 1 month 2,900, and for 3 months 2,823, and for 6 months, okay, these are the charge for 1 month. And if you want to get the 6 month subscription plan, you have to pay 11,250, and for 12 months 13,750, and for 24 months 20,000. Okay, so depending upon your requirement, you may take any one of the subscription plan here. Okay, if you want the 3 months, or else if you want the 6 months, or else if you want the 12 months. Okay, so based upon when you are planning to write the exam, okay, so based upon that one, you may take any one of the subscription plans here. And out of these different subscription plans, you will get some discount also. So it is my referral code ASWINIK. So use my referral code and then click on the apply and then proceed to pay. Then you will get the 10% discount on any one of these subscription plans. Okay. So the subscription link as well as my profile link, both these two I will put in the description box of this video, guys. You may check down. And apart from this one, the electronic science new batch course is already started from 12th May onwards. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan, and this course runs up to 3 months, guys. That means from May 12th to August 12th. So the complete UGC NET electronic science syllabus will be discussed here in detail by keeping in mind the previous year NTA UGC NET question papers also, which will be very much helpful for you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Okay, so already the previous batches, okay, so many candidates cracked the JRF, and a few candidates are getting the admission into the PhD admission in the IIT also. So you may check down my dedications in my profile link. So it is my profile link, and if you click on here the dedications, okay, you may check down. So all the students are very nicely satisfied, okay, regarding the teaching as well as their preparation. Fine. So you may check down here, guys. So by looking all these things and by looking at the special classes, that means which are free, that you may check down, okay, how the classes are going on and how the live interaction will be. Okay. So based upon all these things, you may decide. And please take the subscription plan, guys, which will be very much helpful to you to crack the UGC NET JRF. Fine.